Hello, greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Mention. Welcome to my channel. I didn't have time to make video yesterday. I was implicated in the creation of new paintings on paper and many drawings. I will share that very soon as well. For we're getting close to this great portal, this portal of energy that will be coming, and it's coming in a couple of days and will continue to unfold throughout the holidays. It will open a window to the fourth dimension for most people, or the fifth, or the sixth, or the seventh dimension. If that happens, there'll be some very powerful solar activity, and you may experience it in a way that you will feel like like you need to lay down. And if you need to lay down, lay down. If you're working on your desk, you may fall asleep on your desk. If you're driving, you drive your car to the side and you fell asleep in your car, because the power of the energy may put us to sleep, and then we'll be taken from our consciousness, will be elevated, and we'll wake up in a new dimension, then we'll be reintegrated in our body. So there's a very, very powerful energy that is coming, that we just need to be ready for that. And it's a very powerful event. It's been announced. I'm going to pull a few cards to see what Spirit wants to share for the day. The highest wisdom is the balance being, to be balanced, to be in equilibrium, to be transparent, to be just, to be honest, to be like. What we need to understand is the observer, stay neutral in the situation, to stay neutral, to be a neutral observer, compassionate neutral observer. Do not yet so much darkness that is about to be revealed by the light. It's even the most hard-skinned people will be shocked to the bones, and it's going to be revealed to certain information. It is beyond anything that we can conceive as human. It's certain things that were coming into the light. So focus on the joy and the love and the peace, and all comes down to the connection with the source, to connection to the one. What we need to do is the sign in the message in the bottle, to continue to follow the signs, all the way to the alignment, and the outcome is many steps ahead. It's a step ahead, to be ready, to be in alignment, to be ready for what is to come. Because when we're ready, we can come across the situation we're more prepared for it. For some information may be contradictory, so you may want to wait and see how is unfolded within your consciousness. Be here now, for there's many timelines and processes that are still maybe contradictory. but we need to reconnect to the original presence. It is very important. It is our true self. I am presence is our true self. So, but we need. It's a physical responsibility that to align, to prepare our physical body and to prepare our soul for this ascension. For a lot of the material responsibility that is taken away from spiritual work, like all kinds of jobs that can take your time away, will be removed very soon. Will be free to dedicate all your time to whatever is important to you. There's a great shift that is going on, transformation of the monetary system, all kinds of things that are getting ready. And but me as an artist, I am kind of free, but my time. But money doesn't buy happiness or love or anything, but it buys security and freedom. The freedom to choose what you do with. So accept that. Know that God has already all that you need, and you just need to ask and know you are worthy of receiving it, and you believe. So just ask your Creator. And so because it is very about aligning all the forces within the presence and with the source, the creator, the supreme intelligence. For God's truth can only be experienced within, and it's about how do we stay in this communion, in this for it is a self-revealing and intelligence. And we need to have this gratitude for living in union with our divine Father, for all is one, only in the alignment. For only to God all is one, but for within our mind we can choose that, but the forces can only come into alignment, into oneness, by this inner alignment. The understand is who is God, and how does it work, how does it function. God is your will as well, so you want to align your will with the higher will of God, and then from there you'll be able to work with in the most powerful way. For the love of God is the most precious of all the treasures in the universe. This connection within the heart, there is nothing more precious. We'll come to realize that, and all other treasures flow from that. But everything must proceed through the Holy Spirit, the will of God. It is very important to see that, to know that, to embody that, and during our ascension process, we're going to be able to take other people with us, but not by force. Only those who are ready will be able to assist them in that. And your New Year's resolution should be a new life, a brand new life, full of joy, happiness, health, prosperity, abundance, wisdom, inspiration, creativity, connection, and opportunities. Everything is going to become possible once we align with this inner self, our inner self. I'm going to pull one more card. The card of the day is the intuition. Continue to follow the signs of your intuition and to align with that. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you. I thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful preparation for this grand portal and for this end of the year. There's beautiful holidays to become. To tune in to this love within and to continue to cultivate it. I have to get a haircut. That's why I'm wearing a hat, because my hair is decided to let it grow. So I thank you for everything. Continue to cultivate your inner connection. I'm going to finish with a song. It's a French song about sometimes we come apart with certain people and we find them again and we find this great joy, and sometimes so it's kind of nice to the separation. It makes the reunion more pleasant. It goes like this, called Le Tourbillon de la Vie. Elle avait des bagues à chaque doigt, des bracelets autour des poignets, et puis elle chantait avec une voix qui sitôt m'enjola. Elle avait des yeux d'opale qui me fascinaient, qui me fascinaient. Il y avait l'ovage, son visage pâle, d'une femme fatale qui me fut fatale, d'une femme fatale qui me fut fatale. On s'est connus, on s'est reconnus, on s'est perdu de vue, on s'est reperdu de vue, on s'est retrouvés, on s'est réchauffés, puis on s'est séparés. Chacun pour soi est reparti dans le tourbillon de la vie. Je l'ai revu un soir, aïe aïe aïe, ça fait déjà un sacré bail, ça fait déjà un sacré bail. Au son des banjos, je l'ai reconnu, ce curieux sourire qui m'avait tant plu, sa voix si fatale, son beau visage pâle, mais mûr plus que jamais. Je me suis saoulé en l'écoutant, l'alcool fait oublier le temps. Je me suis réveillé en sentant des baisers sur mon front brûlant, des baisers sur mon front brûlant. On s'est connus, on s'est reconnus, on s'est perdu de vue, on s'est reperdu de vue, on s'est retrouvés, on s'est réchauffés, puis on s'est séparés. Chacun pour soi est retourné dans le tourbillon de la vie. Je l'ai revue un soir, ah là là, elle est retombée dans mes bras, elle est retombée dans mes bras. Quand on s'est connu, quand on s'est reconnu, pourquoi se perdre de vue, se reperdre de vue? Quand on s'est retrouvé, quand on s'est réchauffé, pourquoi se séparer? Alors tous deux on est repartis dans le tourbillon de la vie. On a continué à tourner, tous les deux enlacés, tous les deux enlacés, tous les deux enlacés. It's the whirlpool of life. We come together, and then we go back in our own way in the whirlpool of life, and then eventually we decide to travel this path together. A romantic song from Serge Reggiani. And I'm going to pull one more card to conclude this message. Well, I have a lot to do, some letters to write. And the card of the day is the Magician. The magic is possible. The Archangel Raziel. Say what you expect from life. As by magic, what you wish appears. The beginnings that are crowned with success. So it's very much a time of magic and possibility. Ask your creator. He is all powerful and he's got it all. He knows how to bring things in the right way. It's like God can never do wrong. He's not in the experimentation. The universe is an experimentation ground, but God is not. God is way beyond the master universe. His consciousness is transcend all all experiences, that this is like completely, there's nothing that he can ever misunderstand. Or so just trust your creator, trust your unity with the creator, and continue to connect this loving connection with your source. I thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful day. Adonai.